Quality control is very important in your reloading. It ensures your safety and accuracy of your loaded cartridges. This particular cartridge didn't have enough neck tension and allowed the bullet to telescope in. This cartridge has a bad primer in it. It sucked a bad primer back in, repriming it with a used primer, and it won't go off. This cartridge didn't get the bullet seated properly. The overall length on it's extremely long, and we can tell that because of the cantilever. We can also check it with a set of dial calipers to see if it's beyond what our overall seating length should be. It's also a good indicator if this didn't get seated properly that something else went wrong on the station when you were loading. What we're going to do is place the cartridge on the face of the caliper jaws, tighten them down on it, and read the dial. We'll check it against our reloading manual. This cartridge didn't get properly crimped. It's a good indicator that the handle wasn't pulled completely down. You could get a short charge or an improperly seated bullet or an improperly sized case from short stroking. This cartridge has no primer. You'll usually notice this because it'll be dribbling powder out. This cartridge looks correct, but it's a good idea every once in a while to pull a cartridge that looks okay and pull it apart to spot check it for powder weight. In order to do that, we'll use the bullet puller. We'll loosen the cap, which will loosen the chuck. Place the bullet inside. Until the extractor groove gets caught on the chuck. Then we'll tighten the cap and wrap it against a hard surface. You may not want to hit the bullet puller on your bench top as it'll cause damage. It's a good idea to hit it on a concrete surface or a piece of steel. Get the brass back. We get the bullet and the powder. Let's weigh it and make sure the charge is correct. Just where it should be. The bullet puller is also used to reclaim your components in the event that you do make a mistake. At the end of every reloading session, it's a good idea to keep a log of what you loaded. A printable log is available on this disc. Remember, it's also important to label your ammo. Another item you might want to purchase is a chronograph. A chronograph measures the velocity of a bullet. It's also a good idea to check the velocity that you achieve against the velocity that's recorded in a reloading manual.